Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to create a beautiful banner using the htmega plugin. Banners can be used as a tool for advertising your products, services, discount offers and many other things. A good looking banner will help you grab the attention of your website visitors and increase the conversion rate. Let's check some of the examples we have here. Now I'm going to show you how you can create a banner like this. From the Elementor Widget panel, search for the banner widget. Drag the widget to the section. From the banner panel, you can change the banner style. Select the content position for your banner. Upload a banner image from here and select an image size. Now let's add the title, subtitle and description for the banner. You can add a banner link from here. Insert a button text if you want to display a button on your banner. From the Style tab, you can control all the necessary styles for the banner title, subtitle and description. This way you can create an eye-catching banner easily using the banner widget. If you have any suggestions to improve this widget, please let us know in the comments below. So that's it from me today. Thanks for watching this video.